Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These old children are asking you, please shine down, we're gonna play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Please shine down on me.
Okay. What is the color of the sun?
Yellow.
Is it? Is it yellow? Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ito. Okay. How about the stars?
Yellow.
Explain about the stars.
Yeah. Red, yellow, and blue.
So what is the hottest star?
Blue.
And what is the coolest star?
Red.
And what is the yellow star is what?
Normal.
Huh?
Normal.
Yellow star is a normal.
Normal, sabi ng ganyan, normal.
Oo nga, normal ang anak. Okay. How about the moon? What is the color of the moon?
Gray.
Gray. So, saan kumukuha ng light ng moon?
From the sun.
Okay. What is the biggest biggest star?
Biggest star.
Oo.
The blue one.
The
blue.
The blue one.
Yeah. And it can explode faster like this.
Okay. How about the sun? Is it
and the red one, the smaller one, is weak.
How about the sun? Is it a kind of star or a kind of a moon?
A kind of star.
Okay.
Nanay,
So, yeah.
the sun is a regular. Nanay, the sun is the sun is regular yellow star.
Okay, the sun is a regular yellow star. So that's why the sun is not really hot, and
Yeah.
that's not really cold.
Yeah. Nanay.
Okay, science.
Nanay, the sun is really hot, and the blue one.
So the sun is really hot, and the blue one.
Yeah.
Okay. So the moon gets light on the
Sun.
okay. So that's all, guys. Review lang kami kasi may exam si Aki. Thank you for watching and following. Say hi, Tommy. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going, Tommy? Okay. Bye-bye, guys. See bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Please follow, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye-bye.